cupcakes, and Merry Christmas. Today we will be talking about our food we had on our most recent vacation, which contained going to Disney Springs, Harry Potter World, and Universal, Kennedy Space Center, and then going on a 7-night Carnival cruise. Fried mozzarella sticks. Chicken nuggets. Both of these were very delicious. That's some pizza. Pizza.
What was different about this pizza?
It had a bigger crust.
Was it good? Was it bad?
It was okay.
It was just okay? Did we have to wait extra for it?
Yes, we also had to wait 10 minutes ship time.
What other time was there? Island time?
Yes.
Okay.
That is my mocktail, strawberry daiquiri mocktail.
And you hated it, right? Look at the frown on your face.
I was smiling from ear to ear. It was amazing. That is my mango magic cocktail.
How was the rum in that drink?
Mocktail. That's me singing karaoke. Again. Me singing karaoke. Shrimp cocktail! Our favorite food in the whole wide world. Oh, and crab cakes or whatever. Oh, and there's also some more shrimp, but it's not shrimp cocktail.
Grilled shrimp, I believe.
Yeah, it's grilled shrimp. It wasn't good. That's me on the beach.
Where are we at?
We're at Half Moon Cay. That's me with some pizza and a strawberry daiquiri mocktail. Doing some trivia. I don't like bone-in chicken, so I didn't like the Southern grilled chicken, but the broccoli and the mashed potatoes were...
Mama had some tilapia.
Yeah, what he said. Wait.
It's fish.
Yes, fish. It's just fish. And again, Carnival melting chocolate cake. Grand Turk. We are finally arrived at Grand Turk. We went to Margaritaville.
How's that margarita?
It's a mocktail. That is the giant pool. It has bridges. It's so big. It needs bridges so people can cross over it. Dad, would you like to explain what these are? Because I was in the pool.
This was volcano nachos with shrimp. They were very good. They were very gluten-free. We had no reactions. A little expensive, but all in all, people kept coming by and asking us, "What is that? I need that." They were like a foot tall. This picture doesn't do it justice.
This is the Splashtown Grand Turk where the NASA rocket splashed down on Apollo 11. Right? Am I right? Yes? He said I'm right. If I'm wrong, please just correct me, please. Alright. This is mussels. That is my steak that looks like a pig. It was made. This is my mom's broken down lasagna. My mother said it was very good. Carnival melting chocolate cake once again. My disappointed face because of the French toast. But the pancakes were the fluffiest pancakes you'll ever have that is gluten-free. And the bacon was crispy. Amber Cove where they filmed Jurassic Park. Why did I sing? That is some fried oysters and shrimp cocktail and frog legs, which I refused to eat. that was okay pasta to me. And we had a cheese platter, as you can see in the background. There was some shrimps. There was some shrimp and oysters in my mother's pasta. That was some baked Alaska. It was okay. Again, Carnival melting chocolate cake. Oh my God. It's so magical. It's the first time you've ever seen it. So, I would also like to have honorable mentions. Chocolate cheesecake and some chocolate mousse that were gluten-free in the buffet. If you find those, immediately grab a slice. The chocolate mousse was delicioso. And the chocolate cheesecake was also delicioso.
Okay, I've got a question for you. Overall, how was the main dining room food, whether it was brunch, breakfast, or dinner? Remember, you had the chicken fingers, you had molten lava cake.
In all, it was okay to good.
Okay. What about the buffet?
The buffet, since most of it was coconut, since most of the cake...
Not just the dessert, all of the options on the buffet.
It was bad. There was not a lot of options for breakfast in it. I ended up eating potato wedges for breakfast. It was the best day of my life.
What about lunch buffet?
Also not good.
Okay. What about having the option of Guy's Burgers, taco bowl, barbecue, pizza, rather than going to the buffet? Did you like those options?
I didn't have the chocolate bowl, and I don't think Guy's Burgers and Fries was better than the buffet.
Okay, if you had any advice to give to someone with celiac, especially a kid with celiac, going on a Carnival cruise, what would you give them?
You should go try to meet with the maitre d' as soon as everyone's boarded.
And what about specialty restaurant reservations?
You would want to make those on the second to last day.
Second through the last day? That's some pretty good ideas to make a cruise better.
Also, if you see the chocolate cheesecake, grab it.
Yes.
They weren't there. It was delicious, though. I will tell you.
What else do you have?
Go to Orbit Cafe if you go to Kennedy Space Center.